Well, hey everybody, thanks for tuning in. Again, as you can see, winter's trying to make a presence today. So I kind of stopped drilling holes with the boring machine. I just didn't want to get it all wet. I can kind of take precautions to keep it from rusting, but I'll just wait till it gets done actively dropping moisture out of the sky. Hopefully later this afternoon it'll quit. But anyways, we're back working on the frame again. As you can see, I should have the 2 posts done and the tibing done by tomorrow, and then we'll get it up on the blocks, get the braces cut and get it fit together, and then hopefully we'll have it up and attached to the frame by the middle of the week, maybe Thursday. That's the plan. So it's supposed to get nice again. You know, October is going to come back and winter is going to subside a little bit, so we'll see. But anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. I'm going to keep working here a little bit. It's not a bad day, actually, and we'll see you on the next one.